Did you know there's a simple yet effective emergency escape chute that folds up into a small space? On this episode, we cover the invention of the VertEscape escape chute system. This expanding cloth fire escape chute is a highly effective escape system for buildings and large vehicles. Made of a fire-resistant material, this chute isn't very large, which allows one to slide down and control the rate of descent. Capable of evacuating 375 people in 15 to 20 minutes, the VertEscape is not only effective hanging from the side of a burning building, but also used in other places like off the side of large machinery. How descending the chute works? It's quite simple. The evacuee will sit on the edge of the chute and start sliding down in a seated position. As they push their arms and legs outwards, the more pressure that is applied, the slower they will descend. This chute can be used by people with disabilities, and it's also possible to have one person go down the chute with another injured person on their shoulders. It can be installed anywhere as long as there's a clear drop to the bottom and is usable immediately after it's been deployed. The VertEscape comes in two versions: a single-entry escape chute and a multi-entry escape chute that can resist constant temperatures of up to 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit or 600 degrees Celsius. This chute will start to melt at around 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit or 810 degrees Celsius. This protection from fire is made possible by the two layers of material that create a barrier between the flames and the evacuee. Does the idea of dropping down a long cylindrical chute freak you out? Do you think this invention should be installed on all buildings? Let us know in the comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like the content, why not support the channel by hitting the thumbs up button? And until the next one, have a good one.